Another important thing to understand is how to look at what needs to happen on a wall, and this is a crucial step of the planning process. In design, we call the drawing version of this an elevation. It shows the height of everything from the floor to the ceiling. In a great room design, you not only need to decide what furniture fits well on the floor, you need tall enough things to properly fill up the wall space and to draw your eyes up to make the ceiling appear higher. This includes placing art well, along with window treatments, lamps, plants, and the right heights of furniture. Even if you aren't taking the step of creating an actual drawing, planning what goes into each elevation in your room is essential before you start buying new items. Again, you don't have to buy everything at once.